Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the Instantiate function in Unity to dynamically create game objects at runtime. What is Instantiate? Instantiate is a function in Unity used to duplicate spawn a game object at runtime. It allows us to add a prefab or any object to the scene dynamically at a specific position and rotation. How does Instantiate work? A new copy clone of the object is created in memory. It has the same properties as the original object. It is added to the scene at the specified position and rotation. If assigned a parent, it will be attached to it. Common use cases: spawning enemies gives generating enemies at specific intervals. Shooting bullets, projectiles gives creating bullets fired from a weapon. Particle effects gives generating explosions or visual effects. Placing temporary objects gives, for example, allowing a player to place objects in the game world. First, we declare a variable of type GameObject and name it playerPrefab. This variable will hold the player object that we will instantiate in the scene. Next, we define the start function. In Unity, the start function runs once when the game begins. Inside the start function, we use the Instantiate method to create an instance of playerPrefab in the scene. We set its position to 0, 2, 0 using a new vector3 object. Finally, we use casayona.identity to ensure that the object has no rotation when spawned. Now, we will create a prefab for testing, but I will explain this topic in the next lesson. Whenever I start the game, we will see that a cube has spawned in our scene. Now, let's do this. We will create a public transform variable in our script. Then we will go to our scene and create a game object at our desired location to act as the spawn point. We will assign this game object to our transform variable in the inspector. This way, our cube will spawn exactly at the position we set, without needing to manually specify coordinates in the code. Let's test it now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.